Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Here is Vivo Y16 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can change notification ringtone on your phone Vivo Y16. By default, some notification ringtone will be set to you. If you want to change it to some other, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the settings of a phone here, and then go to sound, then go to phone notification ringtone, and here you can select tone. uh, Now it is set to encounter. You can choose anyone here. I choose to echo, elegant, happy, luck, little. So whatever you want, just you can get a preview of this sound here, and you can set. I finally decide to set to bubble. Okay, you can also set custom ringtone. Click on custom ringtone, and that will be set as the notification sound. Okay, piggyback, good time, sweet, tennis, etc. So many options are available. Just select anyone. Finally I set it to sweet. So you can choose from system tone or custom tone ringtone for notification ringtone in your phone Vivo Y16. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.